Hello, how are you? Our lesson from Unit 3, Lesson 3. It's about the time. Usually we use the time to measure the period between two events, or the period in which something happens. And we have here some units of measuring time, like hour, minute, second, day, and so on. One day equals 24 hours, and half a day equals 12 hours. Third day equals 8 hours. Quarter day equals 6 hours, and 2/3 day equals 16 hours. 3/4 day equals 18 hours. Hours like from hour to minute, like from minute to seconds. 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Half hour equals 30 minutes, and half a minute equals 30 seconds. Third hour equals 20 minutes, and third minute equals 20 seconds. Quarter hour equals 15 minutes, and quarter minute equals 15 seconds. 2/3 hour equals 40 minutes, and 2/3 minutes equals 40 seconds. 3/4 hour equals 45 minutes, and 3/4 minutes equals 45 seconds. 4 weeks equals how many days. To convert from the greatest to the smallest we multiply, and we know that 1 week equals or have 7 days, so 4 weeks equals 4 times 7 equals 28 days. Letter B. 5 days equals how many hours? We know that one day has 24 hours, so we'll multiply 5 times 24. 5 times 4 equals 20. 0 and carry up 2. 5 times 2 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. The result here will be 120 hours. Letter C. 2.5 an hour equals, we know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and we have here 2 hours, that means 60 plus 60, and half an hour equals 30. So 60 plus 60 plus 60 equals 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 plus 3 equals 15. The result here will be 150 minutes. Letter D. 7 minutes equals how many seconds? To convert from minute to second, we multiply by 60. So 7 times 60. 7 times 0 equals 0. And 7 times 6 equals 42. Then the result will be 420 seconds. Letter E. 270 seconds equals how many minutes? Here we will convert from the smallest to the greatest, so we'll divide by. Divided by what? From second to minutes, divide by 60. 270 divided by 60 equals 4.5. You can do it with long division. Letter F. 216 hours equals how many days? From hour to day, we'll divide by 24. It's from the smallest to the greatest. So 216 divided by 24 equals 9 days. Number 1. Complete the following. Some units of measuring time are, we can say that's hour, minute, second, we can say day, week, year, month, and so on. Letter B. 3 hours equals how many minutes? Convert from the greatest to the smallest. We will multiply. From hour to minute, we multiply by 60. So 3 times 60. 3 times 0 equals 0, and 3 times 6 equals 18. The result here will be 180 minutes. Letter C. 30 minutes equals how many hours? It equals half an hour. 2 hours equals how many minutes? We multiply 2 by 60. It's from the greatest to the smallest. So 2 times 60 equals 120. 2 times 0, 0, and 2 times 6 equals 12. Letter E. 90 minutes equals how many hours? We know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and half an hour equals 30. So 60 plus 30 equals 90 minutes. So the result here will be 90 minutes equals 1.5 an hour. Letter F. 1 and 2/3 hour equals, we know that 1 hour equals 60, and 2/3 hour equals 40. So 60 plus 40 equals 100 minutes. 2 hours equals how many minutes? We know that 1 hour equals 60. So 2 hours equals 60 plus 60, 120 minutes. We need here to convert from minute to seconds. 120 minutes equals how many seconds? So we'll multiply 120 times 60. At first we will take the two zeros and put them there. So then multiply 6 times 2 equals 12. 2 and carry up 1. 6 times 1 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. The result will be 7200 seconds. Number 2. Complete the following. 7 minutes, 2 seconds. We need to convert from minute to second. From the greatest to the smallest, we multiply. We know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So we'll multiply 7 times 60 equals 7 times 0 equals 0. And 7 times 6 equals 42. The remainder here, or the result, will be 420 seconds. Letter B. 45 seconds equals how many? We said it before. 45 seconds equals 3/4 minutes. 5 minutes equals how many seconds? We multiply 5 times 60. So 5 times 0 equals 0 and 5 times 6 equals 30. The result here will be 300 seconds. Letter D. 120 seconds equals how many minutes? We know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So 120 seconds equals 2 minutes. 3/4 hours equals how many minutes? We know that quarter hour equals 15. So 2/4 equal 30. 3/4 equals 45 minutes. Complete the following. 1 day equals 24 hours. 2 days equals, we multiply 24 times 2 equals 48. 2 times 4 equals 8 and 2 times 2 equals 4. 1 and third day. We know that 1 day equals 24 and third day equals 8 hours. So 24 plus 8 equals 32 hours. 3 day equals how many hours? We multiply 3 times 24. So 3 times 4 equals 12. 2 and carry up 1. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. The result here will be 72 hours. 5 days equals how many hours? We multiply 5 times 24. So 5 times 4 equals 20. 0 and carry up 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. The result here will be 120 hours. Arrange the following in descending order. It's from the greatest to the smallest. Quarter minute, 7 seconds, and third minute, and 60 seconds. At first, we will convert all of them to seconds. Quarter minute equals 15 seconds. Here, 7 seconds, we will keep it as it, 7 seconds. And third minute equals 20 seconds. And we have here 60 seconds. The greatest one here is 60. So we'll write 60 seconds at first. Then 20 here equals third of minute. Second one will be third minute. And 15 equals quarter minute, a third. And the last one here is 7. It's equal 7 seconds. It's the end of our lesson. Thank you for listening and see you. Bye.